I've not seen him smiling like this actually, seriously.
Really?
Seriously,
How are you smiling?
I don't know. I don't know.
It was really nice actually. Tiger Shroff or Hrithik Roshan, the better dancer?
Tiger.
Cut this.
Women tell us that he doesn't have to wear the shirt.
Okay.
For sure.
She agrees with that. Okay.
She did audition for Heropanti, which is quite cool.
Yeah,
I didn't know
auditioned
that.
for Heropanti.
Acha, you did? Oh, okay.
I wasn't an actor at all. I didn't know acting. I didn't know anything. I was horrible in the audition.
Must be better than me in Heropanti at least. Hi, this is Tiger Shroff.
And this is Disha Patni.
And you guys are watching Bollywood Hangama.
So rapid fire with Tiger Shroff. Hrithik Roshan or Prabhudev the better dancer?
Hrithik Roshan.
Madhuri Dixit or Sridevi the better dancer?
Madhuri Dixit.
Alright. Varun, Ranveer, Arjun, Siddharth, Ranbir, your biggest competition?
So I don't consider Ranveer and who's the other one?
Ranveer.
Varun, Arjun, Siddharth, Malhotra, Ranbir Kapoor.
So I've done 4 films compared to these guys 10, 11 films. Who's done the least amount of films from these guys?
I don't think anyone.
But I would say the films I do are more commercial, you know, therefore all of them are commercial actors, most of them. I don't know, I don't think I can compete with any of them. Yeah,
Right. Okay.
they're in another league, yeah.
Alright. Name an actor who you feel has great dancing skills which the world hasn't seen as yet or as much.
Disha.
Okay, yeah, I think
She's
he's
a
right
good
because
dancer.
what
I mean, on
yeah.
Instagram people have seen, but not like
Yeah,
on,
that's true. That is true. Okay, if you met the following filmy characters, what would you do, Tiger Shroff?
Okay.
If you met Rambo, what would you do?
If I met Rambo, I would probably ask him to work out with me this evening.
Ah, okay. Alright. What would you do if you meet Mr. A from Dhoom 2?
I would probably ask him to come for my gymnastics class tomorrow.
I don't
okay.
know gymnastics.
Okay. What will you do if you meet Jackie Dada from Hero?
I would ask him to teach me how to play that
I knew
signature
it.
flute.
Okay. Have you or have you not done the following? Gone skinny dipping with your partner?
I've not.
Okay. Drunk dialed an ex?
I don't drink. So
You don't drink. Okay. Hooked up with a stranger?
I don't hook up. I mean, don't hook up.
Obviously, you can't admit that as well right now. So you can't admit that
No,
as well.
I would tell you, I've never
Right.
had like a crazy, you know, college life or anything.
Ji.
I mean, I had my first girlfriend when I was 22, 23.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Checked your partner's phone without their knowledge?
I have.
Okay. If you can comment on the following objectification of actresses.
Like when they object, is that what
No, in terms of like
They are treated as objects.
objects,
right?
yeah.
Oh, absolutely against it, as in not cool.
Not cool at all.
Not cool at all.
Paparazzi.
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
Paparazzi, it's okay, they're doing their job, you know.
Right.
I mean, किसी के पेट पे लात नहीं मारनी चाहिए.
जी. I think he's got a tremendous. I think.
Media loves him.
Yeah, everyone, because he's so many people they tell him that they've told me personally that he has been extremely courteous since the first film and he still is extremely courteous,
Yeah.
which is I think a wonderful quality.
Thank
no,
you.
seriously, fashion policing.
I mean, to each his own, so, you know, there shouldn't be a police. I mean, if I'm comfortable in something that's not exactly fashion-y or in fashion, just let me be, you know.
Yeah,
It's okay.
absolutely. Right. Okay, and in fact, I think the best way to look at Tiger Shroff is that's what women tell us that he doesn't have to wear the shirt.
Okay.
For sure.
She agrees with that. Okay,
I do.
online trolling.
Online trolling.
Ji,
Good PR.
good PR.
Yeah. I mean, it's been happening to me since Heropanti.
Okay,
So, you know, always
Right.
in the limelight somehow or the other.
right.
Good or
Okay.
bad.
Okay, how did you react when he was compared to Kareena Kapoor?
How did I react that
Yeah,
time? Or
yeah,
now how do I
yeah.
react now?
I'm saying it in a lighter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
But she didn't know me, I think,
Yeah, I
back
didn't
then.
know him.
Right.
I didn't even care much. I wasn't on Instagram also. I
But
just joined.
she did audition for Heropanti, which is quite cool.
Yeah,
I didn't know
auditioned
that.
for Heropanti.
Acha, you did? Oh, okay.
Actually, I was still studying that time, and I came for some shoot, and I wasn't an actor at all. I didn't know acting, I didn't know anything. They just called me for the audition, so I came.
जी.
I was horrible in the audition.
You must be better than me in Heropati at least.
I was horrible in the audition, and I just gave the audition, went back. I didn't even know anything about the film or anything. I wasn't like shifted to Mumbai. I just came back from Delhi,
Okay, okay.
like just for a day.
Right. Okay, I'm sure that people are ready for you now with Baghi 2.
I hope.
You already
so,
had like
yeah.
a 100 crore film, but this is something that people are eagerly waiting for now. Okay, so Tiger Shroff, if you can describe the following people in one word, please. Disha Patni, if you can describe in one word. I'm sure that you need a lot many more words.
Yeah,
but
I need a lot, but one that comes to mind is honest.
honest.
Yeah.
Okay, SRK,
Superstar.
Mr. Bachchan.
Legend.
Okay, Ahmad Khan.
Family.
Okay, what is your dream role?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Yeah, I think you'll be good for Spider-Man.
Yeah.
It will be really cool to see you as Spider-Man.
That's the goal. That's the idea. I mean, I'll save them a lot of money on their VFX at least.
Yeah, that's true.
I have most of his powers without the webs coming out of my hand.
Wow, this confidence is good actually.
Yeah.
And you know, the boundaries are blurring now. It's no more that only
You never
people
know.
from Hollywood
You
can
never
do
know.
that. Yeah. They're preferring a lot of Chinese guys, and
Yeah,
India
that's
is
right.
next for the matter. So you never know. Which is your most visited website, apart from Bollywood Hungama, of course?
Apart from Bollywood Hungama, YouTube probably.
Great.
Yeah.
So rapid fire with Disha Patni now. If you could act in a movie from the 1990s, what would it be? Is there any movie from 1990s?
और
that
कुछ होता है?
कुछ होता है?
Was it 1990?
Yeah, it was 98. So like Kajol's role or Rani Mukherjee?
Kajol.
Kajol. Okay. Tiger Shroff or Hrithik Roshan, the better dancer?
Tiger.
Okay.
Cut this.
For me, you asked me my opinion.
No, I think this is fair. Matlab. Okay, if you were stuck, this is a interesting one. Disha Patni, if you were stuck on an island with Karan Johar and Ram Gopal Verma, what would you do?
What can I do with Karan? Ram Gopal Verma? I'll just leave them alone to talk, and I'll just go somewhere, to find some food or something. I don't know.
Right.
They can just have a nice conversation together.
How do
No, just to be
converse with each other?
It would be better than me in between conversing with Karan and Ram.
It will be a very interesting conversation, I can assure you that.
Yeah, that's for sure.
If at all it starts, it will be an extremely interesting conversation. Okay, if you can describe the following people in one word, Sushant Singh Rajput.
Actor, great actor.
Tiger Shroff.
Star.
Star. Okay. All right. Ahmad Khan.
As you said, family.
Amir Khan.
Perfectionist.
Okay. Alia Bhatt, Pariniti Chopra, Shraddha Kapoor, Deepika, Bhumi Pednekar. Your biggest competition.
Me, myself.
Me, myself. All right. Okay. A recent film that you saw and wished you had done it.
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Spider-Man, Wonder Woman. You guys are set on Hollywood now.
No, it's not Hollywood, but we both like superheroes.
Superhero fans.
So we
yeah.
Okay.
both love superheroes.
Yeah, but that's a good choice as well. Wonder Woman can be like a really good one. It's,
Yeah.
Interesting. So we are like casting over here.
Yeah.
Casting.
Okay, if you meet the following filmy people, filmy characters, what would you do, Disha Patni?
Okay.
What would you do if you meet Nisha from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun? That's Madhuri Dixit.
Okay. I'll just ask her to teach me some dance.
Dance steps.
Yeah.
All right. Pooh from K3G.
I'll just ask her for her outfits. She wore some cool stuff, like cool clothes.
Outfits. Okay. Oro from Pa.
I'll probably have a conversation with him. It'll be interesting.
Okay. Munna from Rangila.
I'll just ask him. He is also trying to dance, right, in the film?
Who?
Munna
Neto?
with Urmila, because
Urmila is into dancing.
yeah, she's into dancing. He
Yeah.
doesn't dance. Okay, I'll just learn some Bidu language from him.
Bidu language from him.
Yeah.
Okay. One thing about Tiger Shroff that no one knows.
He can't watch horror films.
He can't watch horror films.
Petrified. I can't sleep. I'm damn scared.
Fitness, fame and money, out of these three, which is most important for you?
I can't choose. But I feel if you have money, you can be famous and you can always get equipments and like food, proper healthy food. If you don't have money, then you can't go to train because you can't afford the gym ka rent and you'll not be famous. So money, I think.
Okay, one superpower you wish you had?
Flying.
Okay.
I love to fly.
Wonder Woman.
So we'll not get stuck in the traffic. Just come
Wonder
for the
Woman
interviews.
can't fly, can she?
She can.
More or less
She can't fly.
okay.
She can jump.
She can jump. And the jump is pretty high.
Pretty high.
Pretty high.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like Hulk.
Yeah, it was pretty high actually. If you woke up as Tiger Shroff, what would you do?
I would just go for my like gymnastic session and do all
6
the
in the morning, 6 in the
backflips
morning?
and all the back solve to everything. I'll be so happy about it. Like, hey, I can do it.
Right, he's smiling. I've not seen him smiling like this actually, seriously.
Really?
Seriously,
How
I've
are
not
you
seen it.
smiling?
I don't know. I don't know. Just add
I've
something.
not seen him smile. It was really nice actually. Okay, and if you woke up as Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, what would you do?
Oh, I'll just be so happy that I'm the King Khan. I don't know. I'll just roam around in my big house and then I'll just say hi to all the public who's waiting outside, the fans.
Right. Okay, Disha Patni, if you woke up as Rakhi Sawant, what would you do?
Oh, I'll just. She's very funny. I like her. I'll just go to my Insta or something and record some funny video.
Right, like crying or something like that.
No, I'll be like, yeah, I'm Rakhi Sawant. I'm cool.
Okay, what would you do if you wake up as Priyanka Chopra?
Oh God, it'll be a dream come true. I'll just look at myself and like, oh, I'm the star. I love Priyanka Chopra. I'm a big fan. I'll just say, hey, I'll just call Disha if I'm okay. If I wake up as Priyanka, I'll be like, there's this girl Disha who really likes me. I'm just gonna call her. It's weird, my answer, but.
Right, nice. You'll expect like a call from Priyanka Chopra. Okay, that was. That's pretty interesting actually. That's I think pretty nice rapid fire, quite sorted. Yeah, Wonder Woman and all that stuff.
Yeah.
That was, and she made you smile.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, this is Tiger Shroff.
And this is Disha Patni.
And you guys are watching Bollywood Hangama.